Okay, so here I am up in my attic. There's a little tour here. Thanks for watching that. Anyways, I'm going to try to... There's my hole for the vent, so that means right about there I can drill a hole through this 2x4. Should be the top of the wall right here. So that's what I'm going to do. Try to get a hole right here. And if I can get my wire in there. So let's do it. Here we go. Let's see. I should have theoretically gone through right there, so let's see if I can. Still drilling. So, what if I move it over a little bit? There's that hole here. That was going down right there. That'll definitely be over enough. I don't know, seems like I should have been able to go through the wall right there. That should have gone through. So let me just pause this here. Be right back. Alright, well, so it turned out that I don't know what I was drilling into, but I couldn't go through it all the way, so maybe some giant beam under there. So right next to that, I did have my 220 going down from my stove, and that just happened to be right under there. So I pushed my wire down in the wall next to that, and now I'm going to put an outlet up here so I can plug my vent up into here and it won't be in the way. So, alright, so I'm going to go downstairs again and try to grab this wire that I just fished down there. And I am hot. It is hot up here. Alright, my friends, thanks for watching.